Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to enable or disable trending videos on your feed easy and quickly on your account on Bluesky. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application. Then go to this three lines up here, and then go to the settings. Go to the content in the media, and here you will find this enable trending videos in your discover feed. So just click on it like this if you want to enable it or disable it. So as you see, so that's it, how to enable or disable trending videos in your discover feed on your account on Bluesky, easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.